back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show is about my brand new Hamilton Beach toaster and Kitchemy reusable silicone bags. Well, it's pretty exciting because I just got my delivery. So let's go ahead and open this up and I'll give you a product review and a demonstration all in one shot here today. Instructions, I'll be sure to read those in just a couple of minutes here. Let's do the big unboxing. It's packed extremely well. I have a toaster oven, but I tell you, it just doesn't do a real good job on toast. Just not real happy with it. I haven't had a toaster in so long, I thought maybe I would just go ahead and buy a toaster. So I found it on the internet, and it's real simple. It has a cancel switch and a darkness switch. So I'll leave it right in the middle, and I'll start there. And what we're going to do is to open up the package here and take out a silicone bag, just like this. We'll get rid of this thing. Then we'll plug it in. It'll probably smoke the first time. And being that I'm a retired firefighter, I'm hoping I don't set off the smoke detectors. I don't want to make enough for the firefighters. So I have my silicone bag, I have a couple of pieces of bread, and just regular American cheese. I don't think you need anything fancy, but you can put more than one type of cheese on this. If you put American and Swiss or Munster and Jack, that'll be really, really good. So here we go. We're going to put this together like this. I hope you're memorizing this recipe. But in case not, just subscribe, please. There's a subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. And if you need to find out more about this particular product, you can go to my website, which is jamestdds.blogspot.com, and I'll list the information there. You know, I just ordered it online. You can get it anywhere online. Probably all the major big stores, including Amazon, should have it. So I've plugged it in, I've turned it on. This bag, what's neat about it is, you see I put the cheese in there. So normally you do your toast and you're dirtying a pan and you're using the butter and the oil, and I didn't use any butter or oil on this. I literally just took 2 pieces of bread and put the cheese in. It should be cleaner and more healthy. It shouldn't take too long to pop up, especially not at the darkness I set it at. So let's go ahead and put this stuff away and we'll see what happens. So far, I like it. Doesn't seem to be smoking a lot. I don't hear the smoke detectors beeping. It's fairly light. It's made out of a stainless steel. It's fairly thin. The ends are plastic. I like the simple, there you go, just popped up. Whew, boy. And I'll tell you, that cooked well at 50%. The bag is hot. Wow. Look at that, the cheese is all melted. I probably could have went less than 50%. I would say this thing's a pretty hot toaster. This is pretty exciting. I'm going to tell you, I think I like this. I'm going to cheer it with my Diabetic Diet Show coffee cup. I think I'm going to give it a thumbs up and say, glad I bought this. That's my quick tip show for the day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.